Hello friends, hope you are doing fine. From our foundation, we are extremely grateful to you friends for being with us in our journey with human curiosity. Friends, let's today talk a bit about what curiosity has done in our understanding, observation, and knowledge of the world of plants. We all know that J.C. Bose demonstrated to the world through his crystallograph that they have lives. We were so thrilled to know and see this in his experiment. Now, this journey has been further forward by human curiosity. Who else? Recently, a Japanese team of scientists led by microbiologist Masatsugu Toyota has demonstrated to the world through their experiment that plants talk to each other. They have unraveled to us the exquisite ethereal world of communication in the world of plants. How have they done it? It's absolutely fabulous to know and understand this. To understand this, friends, let's imagine two neighboring plants. One plant is damaged by insects or otherwise, and its neighbor, the other plant, is intact, undamaged. Now, as per Science Alert, what happens is that plants are surrounded by mist of airborne compounds, and as per this study, they communicate with each other with these compounds. So in our example, what this team of scientists of Japan, of Saitama University, they did is that they connected an air pump to a container with leaves which are damaged by insects. So they put some leaves and a caterpillar in this container. Alongside was a box of plant. They used what is called Arabidopsis thaliana, which was intact, undamaged. Now, as and when the caterpillar fed on the leaves in one of the containers, so these airborne compounds started emitting signals to the Arabidopsis thaliana plant, which was undamaged. As and when it received the signal, there was a glow in this undamaged box of plants, which responded to the threat from the damaged plant to exhorting its leaves to defend itself. This is absolutely incredible, isn't it, friends? That the damaged section of the plants emitting aerial warning signals to its undamaged neighbor, and the undamaged plant responding to it by defending itself against this possible threat. Absolutely ethereal communication, isn't it? And what was great about this is that it's this incredible discovery of plants talking to each other in this experiment was captured real time by this team of scientists. Now, these signals that are emitted from the damaged plants to the undamaged plants are actually calcium signals. And friends, humans also, we also use calcium to communicate each other. So, what we find from this extremely fantastic research, experiment, and that too on real life observation basis, is that lives, whether it is of human beings, us, the flora and fauna, is not much different. Is it a world which is slowly beckoning us, where these differences, these barriers between us and flora and fauna are slowly showing signs of getting away and making room for us to communicate with each other, just as plants are also communicating with each other. Once I read this, I was recalled of an incident in our house which my wife Lopa pointed out to me, is that I was all wondering how a creeper in our balcony will move upwards on its own. So gradually, what we found is that this creeper started finding its way, right? And it moved upwards, and it's still there, moving upwards. I am now, after reading this, I am of the firm belief that probably it got that communication, or it is the ability to understand the movement of its neighboring plants, so that it did not move in that direction and moved in the direction which allowed him the space to do so. So friends, this is what human curiosity has the ability to unravel and make us richer in knowledge, understanding, and cooperation, not only amongst us, but amongst the whole ecosystem of which we are a part of. Friends, I hope you like this discussion, and we look forward to your support as it has always been available to us. Pleasure talking to you. For the time being, hi and bye, and see you soon, friends. Have a wonderful time.